Looking for a way to transform your bath into a true sanctuary? The SereneLife Bamboo Bathtub Caddy promises just that. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, this tray isn't just stylish, it's built to last. Its waterproof and mold-resistant design means it stands up to steam and splashes without losing its charm or strength. Imagine soaking in your tub with everything you need right at your fingertips, without worrying about damage or slipping items. I've personally tested this caddy in my own bathtub, and it's a game changer. The extendable arms slide out smoothly to fit any tub size, even my oversized jacuzzi. Once in place, it feels rock solid. The design thoughtfully includes separate compartments for a wine glass, candle, phone, tablet, and even a towel holder. This means no more fumbling around or interrupting your relaxation to grab essentials. Plus, the ergonomic device holder keeps your electronics safe and upright, so you can enjoy a book or stream your favorite show hands-free. The natural lacquer finish adds a touch of elegance while protecting the bamboo for long-lasting use. What really stands out is its versatility. Beyond bath time, it doubles as a laptop or bed tray, making it a practical addition to your home. Whether you want to sip wine while unwinding or work comfortably in bed, this tray adapts to your lifestyle. If that's you, someone who values comfort, convenience, and quality, it's worth a look. The SereneLife Bamboo Bathtub Caddy brings a spa-like experience home and offers durability you can count on. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your relaxation routine.